Is it possible to connect my Vizio TV to Wi-Fi using a mobile phone or laptop?
Welcome everyone. Today we'll tackle a very common question. Is it possible to connect my Vizio TV to Wi-Fi using a mobile phone or laptop? The short answer is, yes, you can. The process involves using your mobile device or laptop to set up the Wi-Fi connection on your Vizio TV. Let's delve deeper into the steps.
What do you need?
Before we start, make sure you have the following: a Vizio Smart TV, a Wi-Fi network, a smartphone or laptop with Wi-Fi connectivity. Remember, your device and your TV need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this process to work.
How to connect your Vizio TV to Wi-Fi?
The key steps are quite straightforward. Let's break them down. 1. Turn on your Vizio Smart TV. 2. Press the menu button on your remote control. 3. Go to Network and select Network Connection. 4. Choose the wireless option. 5. Your TV will then start scanning for available networks.
How to use your mobile phone or laptop?
Now, here's where your mobile phone or laptop comes into play. 1. Connect your smartphone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network you want to connect your TV to. 2. On your Vizio TV, from the list of available networks, select your Wi-Fi network. 3. You'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Here's where you use your smartphone or laptop. 4. Type in the password on your device and then manually enter the same password using your TV remote. Remember, the password entry is case sensitive, so ensure you enter it correctly. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to connect your Vizio TV to your Wi-Fi network using your mobile phone or laptop. We hope this video has been helpful. Enjoy your streaming and happy watching.